Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be doing a reset. Before we get started, I wanted to go ahead and get ready for my workout. I have been trying to make a point to work out in the morning before I start my day, before I have to do work or anything like that, so I can make sure I am taking care of myself physically and mentally. So if I don't make this time in the morning for myself, then I don't end up getting my workout done at all. So this is what's been working for me lately. So I do start my mornings off with using my Lumen device, and that just helps me keep my metabolism intact and just what I need to be eating that day. I also take my fanny pack with me to the gym, my earbuds, this strap on glute day or on leg day, and then my pre-workout, of course. On this day, the gym was super slow. It was almost empty, so that was nice. We're gonna get into the grocery haul. I'm just showing you guys some of the things that I picked up before we go ahead and start prepping some food and storing it and restocking everything.
Chasing clout, he's scared of missing out, but he ain't gotta know what we doing. We ain't got nowhere to be, living out wild and free. Curry, let's make it a 3, another round up on my sleeve. She said she don't wanna leave, ain't even playing for keeps. Oh yeah. Can't nobody tell me what I can do. Got a plenty aces that life hands you. Feeling like my body understands you. Maybe we could take this all the way. Spend another day chilling, making layups. If you're feeling down, well, there's a way up. All about that bread, I got my cake up. Maybe I just need another taste. Love the way you sway. Lately I've been feeling like my life is in a movie. I call it every night and every day, 'cause I don't ever let the fame of money fool me.
That was just a quick overview of some of the things I got for the week. We are going to restock the refrigerator right now. If you guys have any interest in any of the storage containers, I will have those linked down below along with my Amazon storefront. So I don't wash all my fruits and veggies. There are certain things I do wash before I store them, and then the rest I don't, because I found that they just go bad quicker. So grapes, I stopped washing or rinsing my grapes before I stored them because they went bad a lot quicker. And then strawberries, I go ahead and put a wet paper towel at the bottom. That helps with absorbing the moisture so your berries don't get moldy. So if you have any tips or tricks on ways to save your veggies and fruits, please leave those down below.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it.
I love these containers that I ordered recently because you can have a couple different compartments. You can just have one big one, you can make 2 like I'm doing this time, or you can make 3 because it comes with 2 of those dividers.
Giving up in the name of love. I'm not giving up yet on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. You think it's easy, yeah. Falling in love, well, maybe for you. I think it's crazy. Oh no, but I'll be damned if I'm not a fool. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they go slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is tonight. In the name of love, in the name of love.
So now I wanted to go ahead and prep some chicken for the next few days along with some brown rice. So we're gonna just cook that up real quick. So chicken and rice goes a long way over here. We'll have it for a couple of dinners. I'll send some with my husband to work and he'll take like a bread roll and I'll make some veggies. I'll have it on salads for lunch. Like our chicken and rice goes a long way over here.
No, 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 cutting my ties with you that I'm done. But I'm not done with you. But I'm not done with you. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. I'm gonna call you.
So today I am partnering up with Yvette Sportswear, which I'm really excited about. If you guys have been a part of my channel for a long time, then you know I have been wearing their leggings for years. This is one of my go-to spots to purchase leggings because they are such good quality and then they're super affordable. They have so many different types of pieces, from tank tops, sports bras that are for more active like running and things like that when you need more support, but then they also have like ones that are less support that are good for everyday use and just being comfortable in and lounging in. They have all the different types of leggings, t-shirts, sweatshirts, sweaters, shorts, all the things you can think of they have for your athletic wear. So the first piece I wanted to show you was this Power Cross Racer Back Running Bra. This is a high supportive sports bra, so it is perfect for running or any like high intensity exercises. I love it because it is such a pretty color and they have so many different options. I think they have like 6 different colors, and then it has the zipper here, so if you like to just kind of zip up from the front instead of putting it on over your head. And then I like the detail and the mesh in the back. Next is this long sleeve shirt. This is a workout shirt and you can also wear it to run errands as well, but it is their Shift Seamless long sleeve t-shirt. It's more of a body fit, so sometimes I like to wear like big loose t-shirts to the gym and sometimes I like to wear more like fitted ones. And then it also has the round neckline, which is my preference, and it's just seamless and a soft fabric. And then I picked up this white sports bra, and this is their Enfold zip front padded running bra. It's another high supportive bra. They do have multiple colors of this sports bra, but also some that have designs on them. And then the next one is this black one. These sports bras do have that little Yvette Sportswear logo on there, which I like. I think it's super cute and it's just small and simple. And then the back of this I love. It is so nice and just something a little bit more. This one is called the Limitless Zip Front Crisscross Padded Running Bra. And then these are their Power high-waisted running leggings. This is also a pretty color. They go up to a 5XL and they have that seamless high-waisted design and they're just super soft. So I forgot to try on one of those pairs of leggings in this video, but they are the Echo high-waisted running leggings. They are super soft and they're not as tight as the other leggings. So those ones are like my go-to when I'm just lounging around the house. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this portion of the video. So make sure you check out Yvette Sportswear. I will have their discount codes down below in the description box with the links to all of the pieces that I shared today. And we're gonna go ahead and jump back into the video.
I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps
So it is day 2. I couldn't finish everything last night because it was getting late and I had to get Alva ready for bed and those types of things. And I really wanted to declutter and reorganize the pantry because it's a hot mess. And then I'm gonna go ahead and restock some of the dry groceries that I picked up yesterday. We're gonna do a little bit more food prep, but we're not gonna be hard on ourselves about not finishing everything yesterday. I've been working on that for a couple years where I'm just not stressing it. I am doing what I can in a day and then working on it the next day. If I can't the next day because I have a lot to do, then it'll be the day after. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump back in to day 2, getting everything reset in the house. So what I'm doing here is going ahead and working on one shelf at a time just so I don't get overwhelmed. And I am taking out the containers that were almost empty. Then I'm going to check the expiration dates on the seasonings and any other food items.
Never coming down. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I am never coming down. Never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I am never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down.
Now we're gonna go ahead and make some ground turkey stuffed peppers and eat that for dinner tonight. I was going to meal prep some of the ground turkey and just put it away, but I decided to go ahead and just make it for dinner. This is a super easy meal. You're just cooking up your ground turkey and seasoning it with whatever you want, like garlic, onion. Some people use like tomato sauce, but I use salsa, so you'll see me add salsa. I added the grated cheese, and then we are gonna go ahead and stuff our peppers, and then you're gonna preheat your oven for 350 degrees. Bake it for about 20 minutes or until your peppers are browned. I also spray some oil on the foil and add foil to the top.
Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah.
And then I went ahead and added some cilantro in there. I like cilantro on everything, so you definitely don't have to do this.
I need a night like this, knowing it's a risk, cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out, and I'm right back on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this, holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this, knowing it's a risk, cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out, then I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for you.
So that's all I have for you guys today. I'm gonna enjoy this dinner and just the rest of my evening. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Don't forget to check out Yvette Sportswear. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.